Copper is one of the most essential industrial metals in the modern world. Its high electrical conductivity, durability, and recyclability make it a backbone of today's infrastructure and future technologies. The largest industrial demand for copper comes from the electrical and electronics industry. Copper is widely used in power generation, transmission lines, transformers, electric motors, and wiring. With the rapid expansion of renewable energy sources like solar and wind, copper demand is increasing due to its critical role in efficient energy transfer. In the construction sector, copper is used in plumbing systems, roofing, heating systems, and building wiring. Urbanization, smart cities, and infrastructure upgrades across developing and developed economies are driving steady demand in this segment. Electric vehicles require significantly more copper than conventional vehicles. Copper is used in batteries, charging infrastructure, electric motors, and power electronics. As global EV adoption accelerates, copper demand from the transportation sector continues to rise sharply. Copper is essential in industrial machinery, automation systems, and manufacturing equipment due to its thermal conductivity and resistance to corrosion. Industries such as robotics, heavy machinery, and advanced manufacturing rely heavily on copper-based components. In summary, the industrial demand for copper is growing due to electrification, clean energy, electric mobility, and infrastructure development. As industries move toward a more sustainable and technology-driven future, copper remains a strategic and irreplaceable industrial metal.